comment is just a note you leave inside your code, and it won't display in the browser or have any effects. So the comment will never appear in your web page. It is just usually used to remember some things or explain some things to other programmers. Like this code, like this function is for certain time, so you can just write it in your code there. I will explain everything, I will practicalize everything now. So now, to practicalize all we have done, so I will let us to practice this right now. So I'll practice this right now here. This is H1, this is the largest one, this H2, this is a strong text, while this is HR. So we'll practice everything right now. Why all these are paragraphs, and this is for underline the U tag. So we'll practice everything right now. So this is what we'll be practicing now. So get ready. Don't forget that we need to set up our HTML, and Shredit has this snippet. So let's start now. So we use this for saving, for previewing, this for previewing, while this for saving file, Shredit. So let's take a look at what we want to do. So this is an heading H1. So let's practicalize it. You save first, then you preview. So I hope you can see this. So this is an header. So now the next is the HR. This. So let's add it. So I hope you can see this. It creates an horizontal line as said earlier. Next is about me. Notice the about me is a bit smaller than the welcome to my page, so it would be H2. About me. So if you notice, this part is actually a normal text, and I said earlier that a normal text is usually starting with is usually in paragraph elements. So let's try that now. My name is GentleCoder. So let's preview it. So if you notice, this is not bold as before, so we have to use the strong tag. So let's try that. So if you notice now, it is now bold. So let's move to the next step. Passionate about web development and teaching others how to code. So now let's preview it. So if you noticed, our paragraph text has been showed. So now it remains the formatting. This is italic while this is underlining the text. So let's try this out right now. So now we use the italic I. So if you noticed, it now italicized. Now remain underlining the teaching others. Underline, as explained earlier, we use U tag. So if you noticed, it has been underlined. So the next step is creating this particular horizontal line again. So the code we'll be using now is the HR. If you noticed, the horizontal line has been generated. It remains the education. For the education, we'll be using H2 also. If you notice, it has been generated also, so it remains doing the whole of this. Let us forget, we usually use paragraph for this. Everything has been written, so let's preview it. So it's there right now. So it remains the formatting University of Lagos would be bold, while computer science would be in italic. So that is the two formatting that is there. So we're using the strong code as usual.